Got a roof leak in a bedroom. I've drilled holes in the ceiling so the water won't accumulate in the ceiling and collapse the ceiling. And I have a bucket, and I'm catching it in right here. You can hear the rate fall. Now I have to go up on the roof and try to determine where this leak is coming from. This is the flat part of the roof. And you can see I got standing water, but it's barely dripping in the bedroom right now. So this area I have water in. It's dry up in here. That means that this area here is not where the leak is coming from. So I'm going to flood the roof and get the water to go further back in here and see if it's coming from any area in here. I flooded the roof using a garden hose. Just laid the hose down and started the water up. Now the water is running off the roof. That means that this is the maximum coverage I'm going to get with the water. Now I'll see if the rate of water going into the bucket increases, and that gives me a general idea where the leak is coming from. Now the rate of the drops has increased, so the leak could be in the area that I flooded. So the leak could be coming from the edge right along in here, because before I flooded the roof the water was back here. Now it's up in here and along here. Now this area is dry. This area is wet. Now I gotta look behind me when I step backwards. The rule is never walk backwards on a roof. So my area that I am going to paint, see if I can stop the leak, is from here to here. I want to check one spot on this roof to see if it's okay. It's up in this corner. Way up in this corner. After spraying up in that corner of the roof, flooding it pretty good, the droplets coming down has not increased any. So I would say that area of the roof is not where the leak is not a problem. It rained last night. There's my puddle in the driveway. And now I'm going to check my bucket to see if there's water in it in the bedroom, because I got on the roof and I painted the section that I outlined last night with white roofing paint. There's my bucket. It's dry. So that painting of that section of the roof with the roofing paint stopped the leak. Now I know where it's coming from.